How old is your vision? Keep your eye on the bouncing ball, and whenever you can't see it anymore, comment what age you got. Challenge your friends and share the video to see what they got. Like the video if you can still see the ball.